If you think you've already seen all the fascinating technologies in our world, wait until you see these amazing construction machines that are on another level. You'll be shocked at how these innovative inventions have changed the way large buildings, roads, and construction marvels are created for added efficiency and convenience among builders and engineers. The future of building construction is in the skillful hands of this laying robot that precisely layers hollow blocks without the aid of laborers. Truly an engineering marvel. A single operator and a reliable machine is what it takes to perform the task of 4 people in lifting and assembling slabs for floorings. Utilizing smart technology in a robotic machine, tying rebars, and building intricate frames and structures is a problem solved for construction companies. Be amused with this playful 4-wheeled, or should I say 4-legged robotic excavator that gets the excavating job done while showing off a little entertainment in between. Here's how old buildings are demolished by a special machine that hammers through concrete and rock using hydraulic power. Exclusively designed for railway machineries, this mechanism expertly lays out railway sleepers between the rail tracks and secures them in place. Take a look at how effortless this amphibious excavator floats on water and works on a pool of mud while performing some excavating duties like a traditional excavator. This ice cream vending looking machine is actually a 3D concrete printer that works wonders in building sturdy structures even without a rebar. This is how tunnel construction companies create huge underground passages using heavy yet quiet machinery. It's so quiet the people from urban areas won't even notice. It may not be as good as Leonardo da Vinci or Claude Monet, but this machine could definitely give you a hand in seamlessly painting your walls. If this machine had a dentist, surely it would have been the happiest. Just look at how strong its teeth are in crushing these big chunks of concrete. Portable, easy to use, and functional. This useful gadget lets you remove permanently installed floor tiles without damaging the tile itself. That's an instant secret vault you got there. Using a metal chain and a durable mechanism, pulling out a deeply rooted fence post in backyards is a breeze even for a thin-looking teenager. This air bubble sucking machine ensures that fresh concrete is free from air bubbles for proper compaction and increased durability of hard concrete. Careful not to get dizzy with this construction tool that's spinning around in circles as it glides on this flat surface, leveling fresh concrete on walls like a pro. This fun-looking machine hops like a kangaroo while compressing and compacting loose soil for enhanced ground stability. Setting up and aligning cabinets for single people like you is no longer a problem with the help of this tool. Literally an extra third hand. Every carpenter and masons need this portable gadget that drives nails through concrete walls, metal, stone, and wood in a blink of an eye. Drilling large holes in concrete is a challenging feat, especially if you want a perfectly shaped result. Good thing this compact machine makes it much easier. Effortlessly crushing mixed concrete and stone at once is no challenge using this Jawstone crusher. Now recycling used concrete will be even much easier. Enough with your inaccurate and rough calculations, because this gadget just saved you the trouble in filling up excess spaces when installing floor tiles. Just a few twists and turns and the right size is served. This is how to reduce labor costs when building a house using a bricklaying robot that does all the job. It even has a partner that delivers bricks going to the site. Fantastic. Let the workers carry the heavy loads and push the dumper, or let the dumper carry both the worker and the heavy loads? Well, what you're seeing definitely answers the question. Boasting its portability and slim design is this rebar tying machine that saves hundreds of laborers from back pain caused by tying rebars all day. Let's be honest, bending steel bars and creating steel hoops using bare hands will take forever. Good thing this machine was made to make this tricky job a piece of cake. If it takes a village to raise a child, it also takes a group of smart robots to build walls, ceilings, and structures out of wooden frames and plywoods. Why bother molding one hollow block at a time if you can make 3 at once using this manual machine that lets you work out at the same time? Have you ever wondered how bigger yet shallow holes are made for more stable bell-shaped footings? It's by using this machine that gets stuck inside a shallow hole and digs the soil beneath without creating bigger holes. Lined up in this platform is a group of welding robots that work together in fusing metal bars as if they're actually skilled welders. In just a few simple clicks, even unskilled laborers can now plaster cement on walls with the help of this machine that flawlessly levels fresh cement while scooping its excess for later use. What you're seeing is a systematic machine that seamlessly peels and debarks logs, leaving a smooth finish and ready for creating high-quality end products. A bed of perfectly laid out road bricks that comes in different patterns is what teamwork from a compact machine and a group of diligent workers can do. Revolutionizing cargo transportations is this self-propelled transporter that boasts several dozens of wheels that can move the vehicle both vertically and horizontally. If you're still not convinced that our world is now evolving, check out these modern agricultural machine inventions that are on another level and see for yourselves.